Hello, this is Remya. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm just showing how to make atta dosha or wheat dosha. We just need 1 cup of atta and 1/4 of water and little bit salt. Let's see how to mix the dosha batter. I'm just taking my mixer and adding the atta. Let's take the water now. One quarter of water. Adding little bit salt. Now I'm going to mix the batter. The batter is ready. I'm just transferring. You can see there is no lumps or anything. It's pretty good. I'm just using my griddle. I just turn on, and before starting just check the salt on the dosha batter. The salt is good, so just wait for the heating. Let's make it our first dosha. I'm just adding little bit oil on the top. Our dosha is getting crispy. We like to eat crispy doshas, so I'm just waiting a little bit more time. Okay, I'm just turning up. This is an optional. If you would like, you can do it. Otherwise, you can just skip it. I'm just going with another set. I'm just using olive oil. You can use any kind of the oil, depends upon what you like it. I'm going to turn it.